Ladies and gentlemen, please allow us to present you with the effect of packaging on the stability of drugs and drug products. Packaging can be defined as a technique that allows containment of pharmaceutical products from the time of production in a unit till its use. Now, pharmaceutical packaging has to balance a lot of complex considerations. There's a lot of things that packaging of pharmaceutical essentially provides, including drug safety, identity, and convenience of handling and delivery. Now, the role of pharmaceutical packaging is to provide life-saving drugs, surgical devices, blood and blood products, poultices, liquid and dosage forms. There are three types of packaging: primary packaging, secondary packaging, and tertiary packaging. Now, the primary packaging involves the first packaging envelope, which is in touch with the dosage form or equipment. It has to provide proper containment of pharmaceuticals. Such examples such as blister packages and strip packages. The secondary packaging is like a consecutive covering or package that stores pharmaceutical packages in it for their grouping. Examples include the cartoons and boxes. The tertiary packaging also provides bulk handling and shipping of pharmaceuticals from one place to another. Examples include the containers and barrels. The factors that influence the stability of drugs and drug products include moisture, hydrolysis and pH, oxygen and oxidation, light, temperature, microbes. Packaging suitability is based on four attributes: protection, safety, compatibility, and performance. The role that packaging plays in the overall perceived and actual stability of the dosage form is well established. Packaging plays an important role in the quality maintenance and the resistance of packaging materials to moisture and light. It can significantly affect the stability of drugs in their dosage forms. It is crucial that the stability testing of dosage forms should be done in their final packaging. The primary role of packaging, other than its cosmetic purposes, is to protect the dosage form from moisture and oxygen, which are present in the atmosphere, light, and other types of exposure, especially if these factors affect the overall quality of the product on long-term storage. Protection from light can be achieved using primary packaging. Now, that is the form of packaging which is in direct contact with the dosage form, and the secondary packaging is going to be made out of light-resistant materials. Now, incorporating oxygen adsorbents such as iron powder in packaging units can also reduce the effect of oxygen. We got various studies that will emphasize the effect of packaging on moisture adsorption as it affects the stability of dosage forms, and consider the interaction between the dosage forms and packaging. Now, as mentioned before, the studies have been conducted to predict the role of packaging in moisture adsorption by dosage forms. Now, the adsorption of moisture by tablets contained in polypropylene films was successfully modeled from storage temperature, and the difference in water vapor pressure between the inside and outside of the packaging was measured. Now, the following figure represents the prediction of moisture adsorption by tablets in polypropylene films. Now, chemical and physical degradation of packaged dosage forms caused by moisture adsorption. It has been predicted from the moisture permeability of packaging. Pharmaceuticals may also interact with packaging and containers, resulting in loss of drug substances by adsorption onto and absorption into the container components, and the incorporation of container components into pharmaceuticals. The following figure represents an attempted Arrhenius plot for the rate of absorption of nitroglycerin into a PVC container. The PVC, or polyvinyl chloride, It's a polymer that is often used for pharmaceutical containers. It is known to interact with various drug substances. Medicinal products need protection from moisture, oxygen, light, and chemicals. Thus, this high demand of environmental ethics, patient compliance, and novel medicaments. This had driven significant developments in packaging and delivery systems. Packaging plays a major role in providing stability to the pharmaceutical products. The advancement in research of pharmaceutical development had always been dependent on the development in packaging technology. In order to maintain integrity of pharmaceuticals during storage, shipment, and delivery, the quality of packaging provides assurance for all of those factors. Accuracy and precision needed to be maintained for the whole life cycle of a product. Any deviation will lead to a defective package. Pharmaceutical companies are paying great attention on stability of drug products in the packages to enable delivery of the products to the final consumer in good quality.
I'd like to thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for your time and attention. Thank you all.